Come shop with us at Trader Joe's, which is one of our favorite places. We're always making sure that we're stocked up on fresh fruit. Organic is best when possible. Blueberries are great for digestion, heart, and brain health. Pineapple is very similar to blueberries, also great for digestion and antioxidants. Lemons and limes are detoxing and antiviral. Celery I juice every day. It has mineral salts, which help to starve pathogens from the body. Spinach is very nutrient dense. Egg whites, easy, clean protein. Pistachios are nourishing for the blood and immune system. Sweet potatoes, a cleaner carb. Brown rice pasta, cleaner than regular pasta. Sourdough bread is great, but you want to make sure that you have very few ingredients and you do not have the enriched flour. Cauliflower gnocchi, a healthier, delicious option. Broccoli, we live off frozen broccoli. These actually had much cleaner ingredients than I expected. Still very processed, but maybe a good option for some. These are delicious. We eat these weekly. We stock up on our clean protein. This was a little treat for the week. Wild blueberries are amazing. Medical medium raves about them. Great for heavy metal detoxing. Almond milk is not ideal. We usually buy coconut milk. It's easier on the digestive tract as well. Plantain chips are a great snack. These were just delicious, not necessarily healthy. These cinnamon rolls and the croissants coming up are our favorite desserts. Clearly not healthy, but if you're looking for a cheat, it's a good option.